Ndewo. Have you ever been to a zoo and you wonder what some of these animals are called in Igbo language? You might see something like an elephant and you'll be like, Mom, or elephant bifa. To avoid saying things like this, you need to watch to the end of this video. I remain Tutochi Goron Promise and I'll be taking you through this video. Don't forget to like the video, share your thoughts in the comment section, and subscribe to the YouTube channel Learn Igbo by Conversation for more updates. So let's proceed with the land animals. How do you say goats in Igbo language? Ewu. How do you say male goat? Mpi. How do you say female goat? Nnewu. How do we say sheep? It's called aturu. How do we say cow in Igbo language? Some people call it ehi, while some call it efi. How do we say dog in Igbo language? Nkita. How do we say cat in Igbo language? You can say wamba. You can say busu. How do you say pig in Igbo language? Ezi. Ezi for domestic pig. How do you say ram in Igbo language? You can say ebune. You can say ebule. How do you say horse in Igbo language? Ịnyịnya. Ịnyịnya. How do you say camel in Igbo language? Ịnyịnya ibu. Ịnyịnya ibu. How do you say donkey in Igbo language? Jake. Jake. How do you say grass cutter in Igbo language? Nchi. Nchi. I know you must have heard of anonchi, grass cutter. Nchi. How do you say rat? Okay. How do you say squirrel? Osa. How do you say porcupine? Ebiogu. How do you say hyena? Nkịta ọhịa. How do you say chimpanzee? Adaka. How do you say gorilla? Ọzọdimgba. Ọzọdimgba. How do you say elephant? Enyi. How do you say lion? Ọdụm. How do you say leopard? Agụ. How do you say antelope? Mgbada. Mgbada. How do you say deer? Ene. How do you say fox? Nnanwuruede. How do you say bush pig? Is your hair? How do you say snail? Ejula. Ejula. How do you say snake? All kind of snake. Be it python, be it whatever. All kind of snake. Agwo. How do you say python? Eke. How do you say viper? Ajoala. How do you say lizard? Ngwere. How do you say wall gecko? Agụụnọ. How do you say crocodile? Agụ iyi. Agụ iyi. How do you say tortoise? Mbe. Mbe. How do you say frog? Mbara. How do you say toad? Owl. How do you say maggot? Ikpuru. Ikpuru. How do you say caterpillar? Eruru. How do you say millipede? Esu. How do you say centipede? Ọgbakọrọ. How do you say black ant? Abusi. How do you say termite? Arụrụ. How do you say scorpion? Akpị. How do you say grasshopper? Grasshopper. Ụkpana. Ụkpana. Remember, it's different from grass cutter. How do you say cricket? Cricket. Mbuzu. How do you say bush baby? Ikiri. So that will be all for this section. Join me in the next video where we'll be discussing different names for animals that fly. E.g., we have the insects, we have the birds, and so on. Don't forget, we offer Igbo classes for £3 an hour. Our website address is in the description box. Our website address is learnibo-byconversation.com. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel Learn Igbo by Conversation for more updates. See you in the next video. Kemesia.